morning, guys. My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very happy to have every single one of you here. Today, I am coming to you with a very quick cook with me. I found some new fruit at Trader Joe's. I will show you in just a couple minutes what it is that I wanted to try baking with. So this morning, I am going to make my own version of Weight Watchers strawberry pancake bites. Now, this is a recipe that I found on Pinterest. Of course, I'm tweaking it because I'm changing the fruit, but this is by Kimspired DIY. I will link her recipe down below. Sorry, I bumped my desk. I will link her recipe down below, so if you guys want to grab onto this recipe, I would highly advise. It's really good, really easy, really quick, and yeah, it's really good. So her recipe, it's first thing in the morning, y'all gotta bear with me. So her recipe calls for a mini muffin pan. I don't have a mini muffin pan, so that's gonna change as far as the recipe goes too. For her recipe, if you use the mini muffin pan, each pancake bite is worth 1 point. So you'd be making 24 for 1 point apiece. I'm going to be using a regular size muffin pan, so each of my pancake bites or muffins, because they're bigger, are going to be 2 points apiece. So let's go ahead and get to the kitchen so I can show you what I'm baking with this morning. See you there. All right, friends, we are in the kitchen. Here is my new secret ingredient. These are called pine berries. Let me turn it around so you can kind of see them. These are a cross between a strawberry and a pineapple. They're very good. We've eaten them as snacks. They're a little bit more, what is the word? They're not as sweet as strawberries are. They kind of have an aftertaste of pineapple. They're not bitter, they're not sour. They just don't have that strawberry sweetness. But they are very, very good. So I thought that is what I would make I keep wanting to call them muffins, but they're really pancake bites with this morning. So I've cut up 1 cup of these. In this bowl here, I've got 1.5 cups of the Kodiak Cakes Flapjack Mix. I cannot talk this morning. To that, we're going to be adding 1/3 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of liquid eggs. I'm just using the Great Value cage-free. I really don't care if they're cage-free or not, but this was the only one that they had. So here is the batter. I'm going to mix this really good, and then we will go ahead and add our pine berries. Here's what our mixture looks like. We'll go ahead and fold in the pine berries. Here is our mix. Now that's one thing, I guess, with the pine berries. You're also not going to get that pop of color like you would get with the strawberries, but the flavor is going to be there, trust me. We've got our 12 muffin pans. I will go ahead and get these filled up. Okay, so I've got these divided into 12 muffin tins as evenly as possible. I'm going to put these in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until you can insert a toothpick or a fork and it comes out clean. I will see you when they're done. Okay, so muffins are done. We ended up cooking them probably for closer to 10 minutes. Here's what they look like. Really yummy. Let me rip one in half so you can see what the inside of it looks like. They are a little bit more dense than just plain old muffins, but like I said earlier, they're pancake consistency. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup to this. So I'm going to get my scale out. Make sure we zero it out. And 1/4 cup is about 80 grams. Okay guys, I lied. There is no way I can add more maple syrup to this. This is about 1/8 of a cup, and I'm going to stick with that, so it's 0 points. If I put 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup in here, which this is what I use, they would be swimming. So no points for the sugar-free maple syrup. Each muffin or each pancake blob is worth 2 points. So this is a 6-point breakfast. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. I will link the recipe down below so you can go and check it out. If you try it, let me know what you think. If you think of any modifications I can make to this, as always, let me know as well. All right, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you feel like you can handle my chaos, feel free to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, peace